Hello, guys. I am back here again after a short break. I am sure some of you would have wondered where has Bimi's corner gone to. Well, baby girl have to just rest and be taken care of. So I am welcoming both the old and new subscribers to my channel. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do by clicking the red button below. Thank you as you do so. So today I will be preparing yam porridge that went to Harvard. And what do I mean by that? I mean Asaro elemimeji. Without wasting time, let's start the making of our food. How we start by cutting and peeling the yam tuber. I am going to cut out this yam into small sizes. The cutting actually depends on your choice. You can cut it bigger than the way I am cutting mine. Once I am done cutting the yam, I am going to put them in a bowl of water just to remove the dirt and also to prepare it to wash. Once I am done washing the yam, I will leave the yam to soak in a very clean and salted water and set aside. These are the peppers I'll be using: the Scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, 2 balls of tomatoes and onions. These peppers are already washed, so I will go ahead now to grate it with my manual blender. Here is the result of the pepper that I blended with my manual blender. It doesn't have to be very smooth to bring out a good result. The other ingredients I'll be using for today's recipes are onions, dry fish, pumpkin leaf, also known as ugu, garlic and ginger powder, palm oil, salt, seasoning cubes, and crayfish. Now let's start cooking. I will pour 1/4 cup of palm oil into an already heated pot and leave for a while to heat up before pouring the sliced onions, and I am going to fry it until it's soft. I will now introduce the blended pepper into the heated palm oil and stir. Oh yes, I remember here I have a leftover chicken stock, so I'll be adding the chicken stock now to give it a more good taste. And also add the crayfish with the ginger and garlic powder and stir properly. Once that is done, I am going to leave to fry for about 6 minutes. After about 6 minutes, I will now introduce the dry fish. But before that, I will have to season the sauce, and I am doing that with adding salt and 2 bouillon cubes, and I'm going to stir it properly together. Once I am done stirring, I am going to add about 2 cups of water. You can add more than that if you like your yam to be very soft and a little bit watery. Like I said, it all depends on choices. I'll check in now for taste and at this point, and of course it's perfect. Then I will cover up the pot to cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can check to see if the yam is soft enough for you. I actually don't like my yam to be too soft, so this is perfect for me. Now that I am okay with the yam, I'll be adding the pumpkin leaves to the yam and I am going to cover to steam for about 2 minutes before stirring it with the yam. After about 2 minutes, I will stir it all properly together and at the same time matching the diced yam to bring out the yam paste. I actually don't like matching all the yams because I still like seeing some of the yam as a whole in the pot. I know some will say that's weird, but I also know there are some people with me on this table. Once I am done stirring it all together, I am going to cover to steam for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, I am just going to give it a gentle stir. As you can see, the food is done and ready to be served. You can serve this food with any protein of your choice. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me all through. If you enjoyed watching this video, you can click on the like button and please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know your thoughts about this video at the comment box. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.